Hi, in front of me I have XLYNE QIN XW Prime 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the volume settings on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the side button right here. Then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. In this panel we have a volume icon right here, we can tap on it. And here we can change the volume by tapping on plus button or minus button to increase and decrease the volume on our watch. Once you're done, just tap OK, like that. You can also go to settings. To do it, just swipe left on the screen. Keep swiping left until you find settings icon. And here, and tap on it. In the settings, let's scroll down, select volume. And here we have three options: multimedia, ring, and notifications. And we can change the volume for each one of them right here. And that's how you change the volume settings on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.